What's going on, guys? This is Nafada the Medic and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, I am Umar Nafada, a finally Nigerian medical student, and I make videos on medicine and lifestyle. And in this video, I am going to talk on the recommended textbooks in human histology for Nigerian medical students. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe as we proceed with this video. Let the video begin right now. The first textbook is the one that I used the most because it is recommended in our institution. It is also compulsory for every one of us to have one, and that is with us functional histology. The textbook is very useful, it is straight, and it begins with cell biology, then general histology, and also the systemic histology. So it is stepwise approach, and the textbook really worth mentioning. It is simple and it has good graphics and also illustrations. Even though it is not directly an atlas, but it has graphics that are similar to those in some of the atlas of human histology. So it's worth mentioning. And the second textbook is the board review series, that is BRS of human histology. It is straightforward, it is short, summarized, and it is mainly for recall. So it is recommended for students usually prior to exams to use it for revision purpose, and also it has some clinical relevance that will help individual even when he starts doing his histopathology or even his clinical rotation, and it is straightforward as well. Another important textbook is Junqueira's Basic Histology. The Junqueira's Basic Histology is both a textbook and also an atlas for histology. It is straightforward. I only came across it towards the end of my 300 level when I was preparing for my MP exams, and I found it useful because the atlas is easily to be recalled, and there are some illustrations and descriptions that will guide one in order to recall things easily even in the exam hall. So it's worth mentioning. And another important textbook that I came across is the Lange Histology and Cell Biology. This textbook, I only use the soft copy, and it is straightforward, it is easier to comprehend, and also has some illustrations that you can recall easily as well. Finally, the last textbook of human histology that I used is the Inderbir textbook of human histology. It is Indian text, and as I mentioned in my video for gross anatomy and also embryology, the textbook is useful and it's worth mentioning because it has some graphics that are standard and easy to recall at the end, and there is like atlas towards the end of the book, so it is very useful. I was opportune to even have the hard copy when I was in need, that is during my histology days. I hope you find this video useful and you will enjoy the books that I mentioned, and also you will like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and share with your colleagues so that they will benefit as well. Bye bye.